Today we're coming to you from Great Lakes Security Hardware, Locksmith Service in Troy. Commercial, residential, automobile locksmith service is available to you. No job is too big or too small for Great Lakes Security Hardware. Emergency service and rekeying is available during normal business hours. We can help you get out of a tight situation. Thousands of keys and blanks in stock. Call us today, 888-855-6257. Affordable, reliable, certified technicians to help you with your locksmith needs. Great Lakes Security Hardware. Home and auto, automatic doors, or commercial doors. We can help. 888-855-6257. GreatLakesSecurityHardware.com.